Imagine the action and realize the significance of Michigan aviation heritage at the Selfridge Military Air Museum. Enjoy a walk around the air park and bring your cameras for a most authentic military aviation history experience. Our goals for 2020 through 2021 require significant funding to cover the costs of additions, expansions, renovations, and preservations throughout the museum complex. Ongoing administrative and managerial costs are also major concerns. We invite you to volunteer in a way that may not involve operating heavy machinery, networking computers, or joining in the effort to acquire, catalog, and display even more great historic artifacts. However, cash donations are kind, generous, and acceptable gestures that the Michigan Air Guard Historical Association does not take for granted. Our motivation is to complete major projects already in progress and to facilitate the continued growth and traditional levels of excellence maintained by our all-volunteer staff at the Selfridge Military Air Museum. For more information, including how to donate using our GoFundMe account for a nonprofit organizational charity, please visit our website at www.selfridgeairmuseum.org. We're open to the public April through October on weekends, Memorial Day, and Independence Day from 12 noon to 4:30 p.m. Group tours for adults and kids of all ages can be arranged, so call us today at 586-239-6768 or 586-239-5035.